August, Saratoga, and the Travers. The traditional canoe in Calumet's Devil Red, signifying Beau Prince's 1961 Travers win. Today, all eyes are on the two giants, Rydan and Jaipur. At stake, the 3-year-old crown. And now the post-parade. Number 1, Christiana Stable Cyan, recent winner of the Dwyer, 120 pounds in jockey Eldon Nelson. 1A, second half of the Lunger entry, is Smart. Comes off 2 handicap wins in a row, 114 pounds and jockey Bailey. Sharing top weight of 126 pounds is Mighty Rydan, making his bid for the title with jockey Manuel Icaza. And this is Jaipur, number 3. Jaipur followed his Belmont victory with an easy win in the Choice Stakes, 126 pounds and Willie Shoemaker. Mrs. Walter Jeffords' Military Plume is number 4, big winner in his last race, 114 pounds and John Sellers. Mr. Christopher Chenery's Great Filly Cicada with Bob Ussery and 118 pounds. Cicada is number 5. The outsider in the field is the Joppa Stable's Flying Johnny, 114 pounds, and Charlie Burr. Flying Johnny is number 6. And that's the field. And they're off. Cicada, out of post 5, bumps Military Plume. But Rydan and Jaipur break fast and fight for the lead in the Travers Stakes and the title of 3-year-old champion. As they come up to the clubhouse turn, on the inside, it's Rydan with his head in front. The country's oldest stake race has never seen a better one. And with just about 6 furlongs to go, it's still Rydan and Jaipur. Rydan on the inside, a nose to the good. Into the bend they go, still Rydan and Jaipur. On the inside, still by a nose, it's Rydan. With a quarter of a mile to go, it's Jaipur on the outside in a drive by a head. But Rydan comes on again, and they battle nose to nose in one of the most thrilling Travers finishes of all time. In the final strides, they approach the line with the issue still in doubt. Now Jaipur on the outside. As they hit the finish line, it's Jaipur by a nose. What a race and what a horse. 1/5 of a second faster than the legendary Man of War time in this same race. 2 minutes, 1 3/5 seconds. Congratulations now by Jockey Club member F.S. von Stade on the new stake record, the tied track record, and of course, the Travers Trophy.